Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare. Luckily, this customer had this vehicle come in for a pre-purchase inspection. This customer money shifted their brand new WRX with only 97 miles.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Six pressure plate bolts in there.
Where's the bearing?
This is why mechanics have a hate for car engineers. This was only 3 days after an alignment. Listen to the mechanics when they say to replace the worn parts before getting an alignment.
Peekaboo!
Customer only wanted a wheel alignment and refused additional services. Some of the worst welds you'll ever see on this customer's exhaust. Bit of a mystery clutch issue. Let us know what you think happened in the comments below.
Toggles on and off. You can row to the gears, no problem. Okay, row to the gears. So it can row through the gears, no problem. The shift cable is also fine, but I don't know what to do now.
This Cat 3508's crank counterweights, unfortunately, decided they wanted some fresh air. Customer's 2007 Subaru Forester decided it wanted a sway bar delete.
Wow.
Customer's pick, I have oil leak.
Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.